Hi, this is Holly Coleman, and I am doing a presentation over Sherry Cole. My partner, Cody Nelson, has done the first part of the presentation, which describes the top leadership styles from the book Credibility and how Sherry Cole embodies those leadership styles that people look for. I am doing the second half of the assignment and discussing what sets Sherry Cole apart from other coaches. And I had not done much research on Sherry Cole previously, so it was really interesting to learn about her and her life and what sets her apart. Her success on the court has been phenomenal. She has turned the program into a failing one in 1996 into the winning program that it is today. So, over 20 years as the head coach for the University of Oklahoma, and she has been named one of the most successful women's basketball coaches of all time. Her successes include Big 12 season championships, 60 Big 12 team selections, 112 academic Big 12 honors, 4 Big 12 tournament championships, 14 all-district academic team members, 17 straight NCAA tournament appearances, 4 academic All-American team members, 13 All-Americans, and 9 Sweet 16 appearances. This is just phenomenal for any coach's record, and a women's basketball coach at that. So it was really interesting to find out what sets her apart from other coaches. So what does set Sherry Cole apart? This kind of season or seasons program change, it must be something huge. And what I found was very interesting. What sets her apart over other coaches is her idea that service is the most important part of anything in life, coaching, playing. Whenever her team lost in the 2001 Sweet 16 tournament, instead of sending her players back to the University of Oklahoma back into practice, she took them to a children's hospital and had them visit the children, and just to show them that in the grand scheme of things, basketball is only a small part. And while they were upset, she wanted to show them that this was not life, that it was more important to know that there were bigger things around them. She is huge in requiring all of her players to participate in community service. Not many coaches have that kind of mentality. And so I think this is one of the biggest things that sets this coach apart from others, is that she is committed to service and being a part of her community and making sure that her players embody that same mentality, or they are not on the team. She's also very, very strict in her academic requirements for her players. They are required to perform top of their class in the classroom, not just top as players on the court. She believes that developing skills, they should be well-balanced individuals. This also sets her apart from other teams. Her teams have produced some of the highest grade point averages within the athletics department. She has been consistent with this, and it really has developed some strong players into strong individuals. When dealing with the constraints of leadership, Cole has said that faith is one of the biggest parts of her life. And as I've put in here this quote from her, she says, "Honestly, I can't imagine facing the pressures of this high-profile job without the humility anchor of Christian faith. It's actually pretty easy to handle the expectations and challenges of this position and to sleep at night, knowing that winning basketball games is not the most important thing on the planet. Christianity supplies constant perspective. I think that is huge, and it also goes with her requirement of service to the community. She just embodies that Christian mentality. She attends church regularly. She's very close to her family, and this helps her deal with the tough coaching lifestyle. She also has said that coaching it relates to her Christian faith because they both require diligence and both produce rewards unparalleled. So she has a very positive outlook on life, on Christianity, and on coaching, which I think she then passes that along to her players. She also credits the organizational leaders of the program as the reason for the program's continued success. The athletic director and the president believe in excellence more than they believe in success. And I think as we learn more about incredible leaders, they have that same mentality that it's not about winning and losing always. It's about being the best individual that you can possibly be. And I think this sets the program apart from other programs, not only the coach. So really they're producing strong individuals rather than just strong basketball players, which I think is really important and shows a lot about the success that they have had in their program. This is a list of my references. It was really a joy to learn more about Sherri Coale. I think that she just has such a great mentality for leadership, and clearly it shows in her work. She has produced some of the highest quality teams, highest quality individuals, and continues to go that extra mile for the program, for her community, and for her church. And clearly it works. She has been put in the Hall of Fame, and I think she will continue to succeed in her work because of her mentality and positivity, and her players take that on with them in life. And truly, this is what sets her apart as a leader. She just always goes that extra mile.